If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to keep your electronic devices spotless, this keyboard cleaning kit all-in-one is a versatile and comprehensive choice. Before diving into the details, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Be sure to check it out at the beginning and end of this review. This cleaning kit truly covers all bases, making it ideal for anyone who wants to maintain their tech gadgets effortlessly. The set includes a retractable high-density brush, cleaning pins for earbuds, ports, and screens, as well as various tools like a keycap puller, SIM card eject pin, and lens cleaning felt. The variety of tools ensures that you can deep clean everything from your keyboard and screen to your earbuds and smartphone ports. One of the standout features is the large soft brush, which easily removes dust and debris from screens and keyboards without scratching surfaces. The fiber fleece swipe is gentle yet effective for screen stains, and the included cleaning spray makes removing smudges a breeze. The keycap puller simplifies deep cleaning of mechanical keyboards, making it easier to remove and clean each key. The foldable cleaning pin for AirPods and earbuds is a thoughtful addition, equipped with a sponge, rubber tip, and high-density brush to reach shallow holes and crevices. Plus, the rubber cleaning kits for Lightning and Type-C ports are perfect for maintaining ports on phones, tablets, and laptops, ensuring optimal performance. Pros of this kit include its comprehensive tool set, compact size, and durable materials, along with a lifetime warranty that adds peace of mind. The compact design makes it portable enough to carry around, and the detachable parts allow for easy storage. However, some users might find the variety of tools overwhelming if they only need basic cleaning. Additionally, while the set is versatile, it may be more than what casual users require, making it more suitable for tech enthusiasts or professionals. Overall, this all-in-one cleaning kit offers excellent value, especially with the discounted link pinned in the comments. It's a reliable, durable, and convenient solution for keeping your electronics pristine, whether you're a gamer, a tech professional, or just someone who loves their gadgets. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for the discount link at the beginning and end of this review. Happy cleaning!